Stop letting your most critical business processes choke on their own complexity. For decades, automation has been a battlefield of disconnected tools and fragile scripts that break at the first sign of trouble. But that era is officially over. Today, we are witnessing the birth of the Multistep architecture, a revolutionary system designed specifically to tame the chaos of multi-step AI workflows. In this video, you will discover how MIT and Microsoft have cracked the code on energy efficiency, slashed cloud costs by up to 40% without sacrificing a single bit of performance, and transformed rigid automation into adaptive digital colleagues that actually learn as they work. If you are tired of rebuilding your entire pipeline every time an algorithm updates, stick around because this is the future of operational intelligence. The old way of doing things was fundamentally flawed. We relied on a single, massive system to handle reasoning, planning, retrieval, and execution all at once. It was like asking one person to be a surgeon, an accountant, a pilot, and a lawyer simultaneously. They would get overwhelmed, slow down, and eventually fail when the task got too complex. The new paradigm shatters this monolith into focused roles within a multi-agent setup. Imagine a team where one agent is dedicated solely to retrieving data from disparate sources. Another handles the logical reasoning without worrying about execution latency. And a third acts as the safety net for troubleshooting errors in real time. This isn't just division of labor. It is specialized intelligence collaborating to deliver outcomes that were previously impossible. By breaking complexity into these focused roles, organizations can achieve a reliability rate that was never before possible, turning what used to be experimental AI playthings into the backbone of enterprise-grade operations. Beyond just splitting up the work, the structural design has undergone a complete overhaul. Gone are the days of stitching together disconnected tools across multiple surfaces with fragile APIs and manual glue scripts. The new approach offers a unified canvas where you can design entire workflows end-to-end in one place. This visual clarity is not merely cosmetic. It changes how humans interact with machine intelligence. You can now see exactly how an action triggers a decision, which decision feeds the next AI step, and how data flows through the entire business process. This visibility allows for rapid iteration. Instead of hunting down hidden errors in buried code logs, engineers can trace a failure visually across the canvas. It creates a transparent ecosystem where every node is accountable, making it significantly easier to debug, optimize, and scale processes that touch multiple systems simultaneously. Here lies the most surprising breakthrough of this new generation: efficiency. For years, there was a brutal trade-off in AI engineering. You could make your system smarter by giving it more compute power, but doing so skyrocketed energy consumption and cloud bills. The Multistep system breaks this paradox entirely. By optimizing the orchestration of multi-step workflows, it automatically finds the most efficient path to a solution without needing brute force computation. Research indicates that these systems can slash energy use and cloud costs by nearly 40% while maintaining or even improving performance metrics. This is achieved not by dumbing down the AI, but by making its execution path surgical. It stops the system from wasting cycles on redundant checks or inefficient retries. For a data center running thousands of agents per day, this isn't just an incremental saving. It effectively turns profit margins into green energy savings, proving that intelligence and frugality are not mutually exclusive goals. The final shift is in the nature of the technology itself. We are moving past basic automation, the kind that breaks when an email lands slightly out of order, toward what we call digital colleagues. These are systems with adaptive execution capabilities. They don't just follow a script, they coordinate intelligently across multi-system processes. If a bank transfer fails, a digital colleague doesn't just error out the whole transaction. It assesses the situation, consults alternative payment gateways, verifies account balances in real time, and executes a backup plan without human intervention. This level of intelligent coordination allows businesses to handle complex, high-stakes workflows with confidence. The system evolves as it works, learning from exceptions rather than crashing under them. This transforms automation from a cost center into a strategic asset that grows more capable the more it operates in the real world. The gap between theoretical AI potential and practical business application has been bridged by these new multi-agent architectures. We are no longer limited by fragile, single-threaded systems or astronomical energy costs. You now have access to a streamlined authoring experience that delivers consistent, reliable outcomes for even the most complex workflows. The technology is here, it is scalable, and it is ready to be deployed tomorrow. If you want your operations to run smoother, cheaper, and smarter than ever before, this is the foundation you need. Hit like if you found these insights valuable, subscribe to keep up with the next wave of automation breakthroughs, and let me know in the comments which workflow challenge you are facing right now that needs solving.